So in this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer files from your USB flash drive to your Samsung Galaxy A06. So begin by ensuring that your flash drive has been connected to your phone. Then once you've done that, you want to start by opening the My Files app. Then from here, underneath storage, you want to select your USB storage, which is your flash drive. Next, choose the files that you want to transfer. And then once you've selected them, you want to choose a transfer method. So you want to choose between move or copy. And then under this pop-up menu, you can see it's automatically selected internal storage. So stay in that menu and you can choose to create a new folder by tapping on this plus icon, or you can scroll through the different folders that you already have created and select a destination. Once you've selected your destination, tap on move here. And now you'll notice when you go to that specific folder on your phone, and then you should see your files have been transferred, and you can tell they're new files with these red dots next to them. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.